Welcome to GearHead Insight. What if I told you that your dream home could have wheels, a king-size bed, a gourmet kitchen, and still take you anywhere in the world? Today, we're counting down the top 3 luxury motorhomes that redefine travel, and number 1 will leave you speechless. Number 1. 2026 Luxury Motorhome, a true masterpiece of comfort, engineering, and road presence. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace designed for those who refuse to compromise on style, performance, and convenience. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted with a lavish interior that feels more like a 5-star hotel suite than an RV. Plush leather seating, custom cabinetry, and mood lighting create an ambiance that instantly makes you feel at home. The 2026 luxury motorhome offers cutting-edge technology that redefines travel. You'll find a fully digital cockpit with advanced driver assistance systems, making long drives not just easier but more enjoyable. The panoramic windshield offers breathtaking views, while noise insulation keeps the cabin peaceful no matter where your journey takes you. Whether cruising through scenic highways or tackling off-road routes, the ride remains smooth and controlled thanks to adaptive suspension and a robust chassis. Inside, the kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine for coffee lovers. The spacious living area transforms seamlessly into an entertainment lounge, with a large 4K TV, surround sound, and streaming capabilities. The bedroom boasts a king-sized bed with memory foam mattress and underbed storage, while the bathroom features a rainfall shower and luxury fixtures normally reserved for upscale homes. What truly sets the 2026 luxury motorhome apart is its focus on sustainability and independence. Solar panels on the roof, a high-capacity lithium battery system, and energy-efficient climate control ensure you can stay off-grid for days without sacrificing comfort. Freshwater and waste systems are designed for extended travel, making it ideal for explorers who want to go beyond the beaten path. Storage is another highlight. With cleverly designed compartments both inside and outside, you can bring along all your essentials and more. Add in premium safety features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, and you've got peace of mind on every mile. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure, a weekend getaway, or even living full-time on the road, the 2026 luxury motorhome delivers a perfect balance of mobility and luxury. It's more than a mode of transport, it's a statement of lifestyle. Number 2. 2026 Luxury Motorhome, an ultimate travel companion for those who demand both elegance and capability on the open road. Designed with precision engineering and premium craftsmanship, this model combines the rugged strength of a long-haul vehicle with the interior comfort of a high-end penthouse. Every detail has been considered to make life on the move not just practical but truly indulgent. Step inside, and you're greeted with a sophisticated interior layout featuring handcrafted wood accents, soft touch panels, and a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. The spacious living area is perfect for relaxing after a long day of travel, offering a plush leather sofa, a convertible dining area, and integrated climate control for year-round comfort. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with a professional-grade induction cooktop, convection oven, and a dual-door stainless steel refrigerator. The countertop space is generous, and there's even a hidden dishwasher to make cleanup effortless. Smart storage solutions throughout the kitchen keep cookware and provisions neatly organized, no matter how long your journey. In the sleeping quarters, you'll find a king-sized bed with luxury bedding, ambient lighting, and an ensuite bathroom that rivals boutique hotels. The shower is equipped with a rainfall head and temperature memory controls, while the vanity area features premium fixtures and ample counter space. From a performance standpoint, the 2026 luxury motorhome is powered by a high-torque diesel engine that delivers dependable power whether cruising at highway speeds or navigating steep mountain roads. The adaptive suspension ensures a stable, smooth ride, while advanced driver aids like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, and a 360-degree camera system enhance safety. For those who love the freedom of off-grid travel, this motorhome comes equipped with rooftop solar panels, a high-capacity battery pack, and an energy management system that prioritizes efficiency. A large freshwater tank, greywater recycling system, and robust climate control mean you can stay comfortable even in remote locations. The exterior design is sleek yet commanding, with aerodynamic body lines, integrated LED lighting, and high-clearance wheel arches that make it ready for a variety of terrains. Multiple exterior storage compartments provide space for adventure gear, camping equipment, or even folding e-bikes. With its combination of advanced engineering, luxurious amenities, and bold styling, the 2026 Luxury Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement. Perfect for family trips, extended tours, or luxury camping, it allows you to travel without compromise. Whether parked at a scenic overlook or cruising down the interstate, it promises comfort, convenience, and unforgettable experiences. Number N3. 2026 Luxury Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering and comfort designed for those who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. This motorhome redefines what it means to live and travel on the road, combining modern innovation with timeless elegance. Inside, every inch is meticulously crafted for both style and function. The spacious living area welcomes you with premium leather seating, a convertible lounge, and large panoramic windows that let you soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Ambient LED lighting creates the perfect atmosphere, whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet night in. The kitchen is fully equipped for gourmet cooking on the go. It boasts a high-end induction cooktop, a built-in oven, and a full-size refrigerator finished in stainless steel. Quartz countertops offer ample space for meal prep, and smart storage compartments keep everything organized, no matter how bumpy the road gets. The bedroom is a haven of relaxation, featuring a plush king-sized bed with a memory foam mattress, soft touch linens, and built-in USB charging ports. Overhead skylights allow you to stargaze from the comfort of your bed, while the climate control system ensures the perfect temperature year-round. The ensuite bathroom rivals luxury hotel standards, complete with a rainfall shower, modern vanity, and high-end fixtures. Heated flooring adds an extra touch of indulgence, especially during chilly mornings. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Luxury Motorhome is powered by a high-torque diesel engine paired with an advanced transmission for smooth, efficient travel. The adaptive suspension system provides a stable ride on highways and backroads alike, while advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and a full 360-degree camera system offer peace of mind on every journey. For those who love exploring off the beaten path, the motorhome comes equipped with solar panels, a large battery bank, and an advanced water filtration system, enabling extended stays in remote locations. Multiple storage bays offer plenty of room for bikes, kayaks, or camping gear, making it a true adventure-ready luxury home. The exterior is sleek and aerodynamic, with a bold grille design, integrated LED headlights, and custom paint options to match your style. Electric awnings extend with the push of a button, creating a shaded outdoor living area perfect for relaxing under the stars. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome isn't just a way to get from one place to another, it's a lifestyle. It offers the freedom to explore without sacrificing the comforts of home, whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey or setting up camp in a secluded mountain pass. Take care and subscribe to my YouTube channel.